Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Focus on Trading, a very efficient way for beginners to prevent lose all their gains profits while still their take profit value has not been touched and the price reverses. Make sure to subscribe to the channel please and hit the bell notification on. Now continue our topic. Trailing stop loss is what we can use to save our current profit before we being dropped into loss or lose a significant part of our profit. In MetaTrader platform, after opening your order, whether sell or buy, and determining your stop loss and take profit values by clicking on both stop loss or take profit lines, you can assign your trailing stop amount in pips. These are the provided values by the system, and in custom section you can determine your favorite amount, for example 100 pips, 200 pips or whatever. Now how does this trailing stop work? Suppose that your trailing stop amount is 50 pips. Once your trade touches 50 pips of profit, your stop loss will move and locates exactly on your entry point. Trailing stop only moves in the direction you profit and does not move in the reverse direction. Well, after your stop loss locates onto your entry point, then in addition to the 50 pips, every single pip that the price move in your trade direction, your stop loss will change that much. The last point which I want to refer is that you should determine trailing stop amount wisely. And if not, all your trades will close around your entry point and you won't be able to profit much more. Later in another video I will show you that how to assign your trailing stop amount wisely. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to drop a like on this video. Have a good time. See you soon.